Rapid fire questions from two of the biggest faculties, Dr. Gobind Raigar sir and Spur sir. Sir, Cerebellum has released Hyper Revision course. It is being loved by all, but I have some very sharp, important questions. The duration of the course is less than 120 hours if you go by the content. At the same time, we are claiming that we have aimed for an 80% strike rate. 120 hours and 80% strike rate seems a bit off. So how did we manage that?
So the main reason is the content is very organized. So we have taken the previous year topics, we have compiled them, we have merged the topics also so that the content can be finished in lesser time.
Okay.
And you can see that in these 120 hours, there is not rote learning only.
Right.
There are many concepts also explained, but still it will cover around 80% of the required which is there for the student.
So better organization is the key here.
Yeah.
Spur sir, picking on what Goga sir said, one of the biggest drawbacks of concise courses was students would say कि कुछ समझ नहीं आता पहली बार में दूसरी बार में. But here we are saying that we have gone one step ahead. We are very confident that not only it's concise, but it's understandable also. You covered pathology in less than 7 hours. Sir, how did you manage to cover everything and add a bit of understanding, sir?
So the point was that we first had to look at the most important previously asked topics. We then had to look at the previous year questions as well. Integrated the information that has already been asked in the exam, and on the same lines, the likely questions which may be asked in the future. Now, when you go in that organized fashion, then it becomes relatively easier for you to kind of have an idea about the predicted questions. And that is precisely what we have done in the Hyper Revision course.
All right. If I may speak for myself, while organizing the content, I realized that if I do things that all of us did, put flowcharts, tables and everything, we are still left with time to explain stuff. So I think one of the biggest advantage of Hyper Revision as a course would be, it would not feel like rote learning. Even if you're watching it for the first time, it might appear a bit dense, but still you would be able to understand it. Goga sir, another huge achievement I would say, we all were always aiming for a first aid like book, but we never had it in our segment. Hyper Revision books, both volumes combined, are under less than 1,000 pages. And sir, we are saying that we are very confident that almost everything would come from it. Sir, are we saying that this should become the final go-to resource for everybody before the exams?
Yes, definitely. So basically, if you have already studied from some place, now it is a very good source for revision. And if you have very less time, then this is the main source to go. Because if you have not studied enough earlier, now at least you can finish 2 to 3 times in less than 1 month. So that is a big yes for the student preparing for PG entrance.
Well said, sir. Spur sir, we say that the last week revision is very important. So are we saying that the content that we have created has been created in such a way that everything can be covered in the last 7 days?
Absolutely. Now, without a doubt, I would just rephrase what Praveen sir has already mentioned. This particular content, both in the video format as well as in the form of the book, is the go-to resource for you to crack any exam that you're targeting as of now, because this kind of a condensation that we have been able to achieve with the contribution from all of our esteemed faculty members is unprecedented. And I'm sure most of you have started watching the videos and you have gone through the content that is available in the app for you as well, would agree with my statement that this is the most important resource that is going to be utilized by the students.
Goga sir, another big problem that students were facing was that they had to combine multiple resources. They would pick one resource, then they would annotate from some other resource, and that was wasting a lot of time. So with Hyper Revision videos and code and notes, have we solved the problem for the students?
Definitely, because number one, the major reason is this is a subject specialist delivered content. So they know how to combine the content so that students do not need to see here and there.
Right.
So second thing, it is in sync with all our previous videos like mission videos and all other videos. So if the student had studied anything earlier, now they can very quickly go through the Hyper Revision course without needing to add anything at all.
So what we are trying to say here is that it is a complete course in itself. All the time that you spent in annotating and adding, you can use that time to revise because all the hard work has been done for you. When you look at the notes, you would hardly find anything that can be added, that needs to be added. So that's a big win. Goga sir said an important thing, and you were also talking in the same lines. Say there's a student who has done some subject from somewhere else. Now he remembers some of it, does not remember most of it, preparing for NEET PG exam. Would we still suggest that student that add Hyper Revision to your preparation? Is that something that we are suggesting the students?
Absolutely. भाई मोटी बात ये है कि बहुत ही शानदार कोर्स है, चुपचाप कर लो, और अपना एग्जाम फोड़ दो. I mean, that would summarize what we have created and what you would find as one of the most useful resources as of now. And I'm sure once you are going to be utilizing it, once you are going to be using it yourself, you would agree with absolutely with what I'm saying.
Students, we have never gone ahead and made claims like what Dr. Spurs said or Goga sir said or I said, because there's a fundamental difference. In the last 2 months while creating this course, we ourselves had this feeling that why did we not do it earlier? If we could condense everything and if we could still maintain such a high strike rate and if we could add understanding component in it, why did we not do it earlier? And that is why we are so gung-ho and we are so gaga about this course, because we know it's going to be a game changer. Goga sir, you coined 3 terms: anti approach, retro approach, and blitz approach, right? I think anti approach is something that somebody who's preparing, who has started preparing, would be better for that person would be better. But retro and blitz approach are very important. So, what is retro approach? What is blitz approach, sir?
So, retro approach, basically, you will start from the hypervision course. You study the hypervision videos, and wherever you find that this thing is not very clear, so you can see that from the quick revision videos or maybe mission videos. So, study from that place to understand the things. The factual knowledge, you don't need to extend anything. That is more than enough. But retro means you study the hypervision, and then wherever you find any problem in understanding, you can go to the previous sources, maybe quick revision or maybe your own source.
Yeah.
And blitz response, the blitz is very, very important for those students who have not studied till now, may not be regular study, may have not started at all. So in this 1 month or 1.5 months, the student should concentrate on hyper revision and revise it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, whatever he may do, and rectify that. Right. So although he will be able to understand many things, but even if he is not able to understand, just rectify that thing, cram that thing, and very high chances that you will get much better rank than your expectation.
Yeah, T20 के मैच में होता है ना, आखिरी में आपको 25 रन चाहिए, and you are having a person coming to the crease who is not a star batsman. So what is the only thing that he can do? वो हर बॉल पर बैट घुमाएगा.
Right.
So if it comes on the bat, it goes for a 6. If it doesn't, then it misses.
Basically, मुकुल चौधरी बन जाना है आपको.
So if you are aiming for 10,000 rank or 15,000 rank, right? If you're not aiming for a top 100 rank, blitz approach also works very well, right? Anti approach, if I may add, anti is that you start with something like a rapid revision or mission classes, build your concepts, and then for revisions, you move entirely to the hyper revision course. Retro is you start with the hyper revision course, but you still have time. Wherever you feel the course is dense, wherever your understanding is lacking, you go back to your rapid revision or your mission classes. Blitz approach, उठाया पूरा चाट डाला, जिसको बोलते हैं ना पूरा पढ़ डाला, जाके एग्जाम में वॉमिट करके आ गए. That approach also works very well. Goga sir, you have also started another thing of creating a smaller question bank, जिसमें we will be focusing on PYQs and PYTs. So sir, are we trying to solve for the problem of Q bank? Nowadays in the preparation year, nobody is able to do the question bank. I mean, we have interviewed toppers, even rank 5, rank 7, rank 3. None of them said that we completed Q bank. Is that problem that we are trying to solve by creating the smaller Q bank, sir?
Yes, because many students, they ask us the question that we try to solve the questions, but the Q bank is so vast. Even in Cerebellum, you see the Q bank contains many thousands of questions. So that is practically not possible to complete every question. So then students get confused that which questions are more important, which are less important, which they can do, which they can skip. So, but we cannot sideline that, underline that this is important, this is less important. So that's why we have asked the faculty to pick up the questions which are more likely and which are more relevant for the exam. So we have those picked up questions we have given in that Q bank, which will be coming in hypervis.
And it will be added gradually. It will take some time. We have a promise in June, so it will take some time, but it would be there.
But what the fundamental problem it is going to be solving is quality over quantity.
Correct.
You remember that, and that is what is going to be helping you for sure in the exams as well.
So Spurs sir, say somebody is an intern, and he does not get time to do our live lectures, cannot do live lectures anywhere else also. For an intern, do you feel that the hyper revision course should be the go-to course because it has been designed in such a way, less time, more repetitions?
So what I would suggest is that in internship, you are going to be having, your postings in different subjects or specialities. There are certain postings in which, as we have gone through it as well, that availability of time is going to be a crunch factor. Now, normally people tend to get, pretty depressed or they start feeling low about it कि पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है. the hyper revision course is going to be coming to your rescue over there. So what we would personally suggest is, please do not discontinue your studies or academics at that point of time. Rather, utilize a hyper revision course for those smaller number of hours that you're getting in these crunch postings. Say, for example, obs and gynae, medicine, surgery. I mean, all of us who have been in the government hospitals understand the kind of workload that we face. So hyper revision course can be utilized at that point of time. As and when you're going to be having the postings, say, for example, community health postings or the smaller postings, the lighter ones, so-called lighter ones, you can then have a time with you wherein you can attend, as Sir rightly made a mention of, the retro approach as well, wherein you can understand the concepts from the live sessions and then have a look at the hyper revision content as well for better performance.
Right. Goga sir, many students are saying that their internship just ended and they are targeting NEET PG 26. So for them, can we say that your hyper revision course can be the cornerstone of preparation, and to add to that some quick revision videos wherever they need?
Definitely, this is not only for those students whose internship is just completed. This is for all the students who have just started preparation,
right,
as well as for those students who are in the job,
right,
and have not been able to give enough time earlier, and even now they have time crunch. So for these 3-4 type of students, number one, the post interns whose internship has just completed and they have not done too much early. Number two, the people in job, and number three, those who have not started yet or they have not studied enough. Right. So the hyper revision is main go-to course for them. So I will advise that they should not do too many more things. Just concentrate on hyper revision, and whichever things are missing or they are not able to understand properly, go for the quick revision videos. So that means the retro approach for them is the best at this moment.
So I have last two questions. The first one is, would we be providing them with a schedule in the coming days?
Yes, definitely. We will make a complete schedule and give you that in these many days you have to do this thing, and this question bank you have to solve, and these E&Ds you have to give. So complete solution we will give how to go for the next 4 months.
Sir, last question that I want to ask is, Cerebellum came up with flashcards. It is a huge hit, and the principles of active recall and spaced repetition are helping students a lot. Are we also giving flashcards with this hyper revision course? And if we are we actively asking students to integrate the flashcards with whatever they are studying?
Yes, for both the questions. We are giving the flashcards to the subscribers of Hypervision course, and they should definitely integrate with their studies. And I will rather advise that they should do the flashcards on a daily basis. Right. They should fix a time, maybe 20-25 minutes daily only, but that should be a fixed time. Daily, the student should be doing the flashcards in that time.
Students, flashcards in USMLE segment are known to increase the scores by 10 to 15%. All of us suggest a 20-20 rule, 20 minutes in afternoon, 20 minutes at night. Say you studied pathology. At the night time, go to the custom module section, custom deck section, choose pathology, choose the units that you have completed, and do a session. It will take 20-30 minutes to complete 50 flashcards. Same thing in the morning. And you would see in a span of 15, 20, 30 days, your recall of important topics would become much, much more important or much, much more better. Goga sir and Spur sir, in the end, both of you have been teaching for almost 20 years. Hyper revision is a new thing, right? And all of us used to teach for many days, then it became lesser, then further less. How do you see this entire segment of hyper revision, sir?
So basically, hyper revision is, I will say, a revolution.
Right.
So we have never made such a course earlier, and we know that how much hard work has been gone behind that. Because I can say for myself that if I had to teach for 70-80 hours, as in my main videos, I never read the book. I never see anything. I just go and vomit there because I remember everything. I can speak like that. But making a quick revision videos were challenge.
Right.
So because I wanted to concentrate most of the information and do not want to skip any important thing, and still that should be in 1/3 or 1/4 of the time. I was able to do that with a little hard work. But in hyper revision, I have to make that 1/20th. That means in 4.5 hours entire pharmacology. So that took a lot of time. How to convert the textual information into a table. So I have taken 5 pages and convert that into one table. So that will be around 2 minutes for around 30 minutes of earlier. So that took a lot of time, but now we have done that. So I think it should benefit a student a lot.
I should add that not only making the videos, Goga sir spent, I think, 2 weeks in making those notes.
Yes.
Every single table, and he killed me also. Every day he would send me 3 messages, isko change kar. And same goes for Spur sir. Spur sir, your experience of completing everything in pathology in just 7 hours. How did that happen?
I mean, it took a hell lot of effort. And then the kind of formatting that you had seen in the book is a two column formatting, wherein we just wanted to condense that information while trying to minimize the number of pages, so that ultimate the purpose is minimizing the effort that you are going to be requiring for cracking the exam. And again, I mean, this may be sounding very repetitive, but the point is just go for it, utilize it to the best of your ability, and come out with flying colors in the exam that you're going to be taking.
So, students, in the end, I want to flag some subjects. Surgery, I think one of the best teachers that we have. 14 hours he took, but he converted surgery from a fact-based subject to a conceptual subject. The reviews are rave. OBG, just 7 hours, the entire OBG completed. Anatomy, physiology, just 5 hours. I'm a big fan of biochemistry faculty, Dr. Ankur sir. When I was watching his video, I had a feeling that it's Goga sir who is teaching biochemistry. Sir, आप भी कभी वीडियो देखना. अंकुर सर वैसे ही पढ़ाते हैं, सर गोगा सर पढ़ाते हैं. And I told Ankur sir also, sir, that I am giving you a huge compliment. Your teaching is like GRD sir teaching, and he was very happy. But those of you who has not seen his video, please go and see those videos. You would love it. Devyani ma'am has done an exceptional job. Microbiology in around 3 hours. Atul sir has done a great job, around 3 and 4 hours. Ophthal, ENT less than 3 hours, Ophthal 5 hours. So all these things have been covered in very less time. Even Dilip sir, who wants to cover everything, we told him that, sir, our aim is strike rate of 80%, but Dilip sir being Dilip sir, he went for a 95% strike rate, still ensured that everything gets covered in 28 hours, and then he added 500 MCQs also, 4-5 hours more. So in medicine might look like 33-34 hours, but it's actually 27 hours of content, and the remaining are the MCQs. Short subjects, every subject, all the subjects have been covered very beautifully. And we usually do not talk about the strike rates, but this time we are talking about the strike rate that we are aiming for is 80%, because we are very sure that we have done an excellent job. So students, in the end, you have an absolute gem of a course in your hand, and talk to your friends who are using it. Everybody is really impressed by the course, and this is something that can make a hell lot of a difference in your final NEET PG results. Subscribe to it, use it, study hard, and make your dreams true.
So basically, I want to say that whatever you have studied earlier, hypervision must be added to your study plans. And if you have not studied earlier very much, then this is the main plan to go. But even if you have studied well earlier, hypervision must be added to your study plans, because definitely it will improve your marks by 10%. So that I am very sure it will improve. So just go for it and make us proud. Thank you.
And Hyper Revision is going to be giving an opportunity to catch with all of us in person at Cerebellum Hyper. We wish to see you over there really, really soon.
Students, all the best.
All the best.
All the best.